Master Storytelling with GPT-4. Welcome to Lecture 7, Master Storytelling with GPT-4, where our focus, Objective 4, lies in the art of narrative craft enhanced by artificial intelligence. The journey of storytelling is as ancient as humanity itself, but the introduction of GPT-4 has opened new doors to this age-old practice. This advanced AI tool offers an unprecedented opportunity to unlock creativity in narrative creation, offering a wealth of knowledge and a fresh perspective that can elevate any story. Today, we stand at the intersection of technology and creativity, where GPT-4 serves as both muse and scribe. The AI's deep learning capabilities allow it to understand context, character development, and plot structure, which are the backbone of compelling storytelling. With GPT-4, we can analyze the story arcs of classics and contemporary works alike, drawing from a vast array of genres and styles to inform our own creations. Let's analyze this through storytelling techniques and best practices. For example, the rule of 3 in narratives creates satisfying and engaging story progressions. If we prompt GPT-4 with the beginning of a tale that introduces a protagonist faced with 3 challenges, the AI can not only continue the story but also maintain the narrative rhythm that audiences find so captivating. Furthermore, GPT-4 can assist in refining dialogue, ensuring that each character's voice is distinct and true to their personality. When we feed it character profiles and situational context, GPT-4 can generate dialogue exchanges that are not only authentic but also advance the plot and reveal deeper layers of character interaction. Crafting compelling narratives with GPT-4's assistance is about collaboration. By merging human creativity with AI's analytical prowess, we can push the boundaries of story development. Imagine the possibilities. AI could suggest plot twists, fill in historical context, or even offer poetic language that can be woven into your narrative tapestry. As we conclude this lecture, let's reflect on the new narrative horizons before us. GPT-4 is not just a tool, it's a partner in the creative process, offering a springboard for ideas and a sounding board for our storytelling experiments. In our next lesson, we'll dive into Elevate Video Production with GPT-4, taking our newfound narrative skills and applying them across a spectrum of possibilities. Join us as we continue to explore and master the craft of storytelling in the age of AI.